Hello again. Well, I'm sticking with my experimentation with my blow dryer, and today I'm using the same colours I have been using the past couple of videos. My dark blue, my crimson red, my gold and my turquoise, with my white house paint, of which I've already put a layer across. And today what I want to do is do an initial blow, Dutch pour with the colours, and then redo the colours again in the middle for another blow, making it a double Dutch pour, to see if it creates anything different. So I'll start by putting my colours in the middle only. I'm not going to put them across this time, I'm just going to do them from the middle and see what I can come up with. Ready to go with my blow dryer. And as I have done previously with these experiments, I am going to torch now. On a future play day, I might just do this and then tilt to see what happens with those colours, because they certainly make some weird and wonderful patterns, but today I've decided that I'm not going to give that 5 to 10 minute gap for any developments to happen. I'm just going to blow now out to the edges and then do the second pour and blow. And that's that. So now instead of, I might add a little bit of each of the colour to the middle, just a drop. And instead of using my blow dryer this time, I'm going to try using my toy. And now I'm going to take off the front of my dryer. Oh, that's it, to use the snub nose. Oopsie. Okay. And blow again. That certainly has created something different. Too much colour in the middle and not enough white, so I'm going to do a strip of white through the middle and then re-snub nose it. Doing a half and half snub nose. And now this, I can't remember the name of the piece, I'm sorry, it just completely slipped my mind. That's more what I was looking for. And now I need that white across there. Just a small amount. Well, it's completely different to what I expected. It's very pretty. I'm going to do a little bit of tilting to see if that takes off the excess paint without disturbing the pattern too much. I'm not absolutely sure what I'm working for here. It's just experimentation. Before I actually tilt, I'm going to do a torch to get rid of some of those bubbles and see if I can bring up any more cells. I'm quite fascinated with cells when I haven't used any silicone or dimethicone in my paints, knowing that they're basically generated from either the paints blending or the bubbles that I have in the paint from mixing. Okay, now tilt over. I want to lose the white, so I'm going to tilt this way first. Well, that certainly is different. Now I'm doing what I call my finger painting. Fills in all the blobs. As it's only foam board, I don't bother about the edges too much, but I like to get some sort of a finished idea. And that certainly is not what I was expecting. Very pretty, but it's not startling. It's another experiment that I had to try. Now I might just snub nose it again to see what sort of a finished product I can get from that. I quite like using the snub nose on the dryer for something different. It never seems to do what I expect it to do. That's the end of my experiment for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.